Santa Monica Tower, Cessna 32 X-ray is ready for takeoff. We request a right turn at the shoreline.
Cessna 7032 X-ray, Santa Monica Tower, no longer special flight rules?
That's affirmative, 32 X-ray.
Cessna 32 X-ray, right turn at the shoreline approved. Runway 21 clear for takeoff.
32 X-ray, runway 21 cleared for takeoff.
Cessna 32 X-ray, frequency change approved.
32 X-ray, we're just gonna go out to Malibu and back, so we'll keep our ears on.
Cessna 32 X-ray, roger.
Santa Monica Tower, Cessna 7032 X-ray, I'd like to return.
Cessna 32 X-ray, you can enter right traffic for runway 21. Do you need assistance?
32 X-ray, not at this time.
Roger.
Emergency.
Cessna 32 X-ray, can you make the field?
I'm going to try.
Cessna 32 X-ray, say type emergency and souls on board.
We have 2 souls on board. The engine is running very, very rough.
Cessna 32 X-ray, join left base for runway 3. Cessna 32 X-ray, can you join left base for runway 3? Cessna 32 X-ray, Santa Monica Tower.
32 X-ray.
Cessna 32 X-ray, can you make runway 3?
32 X-ray, I don't think so. I think I may have to put it on the beach.
Cessna 32 X-ray, roger, landing the beach will be at your own risk.
32 X-ray, I wish I had another choice.
Cessna 32 X-ray, wind 230 at 4. Police 29er, Santa Monica Tower, do you hear that? The Cessna is ditching over Santa Monica Pier.
Police 29er, affirmative, we're working on it.
Santa Monica Tower, Fort Lima, northbound shoreline, low level, you want me to look out for that Cessna? Did you say something about a Cessna near the pier?
If that's Fort November Lima A firm, there is a Cessna that's supposedly ditched a mile ahead, just south of the pier. There is an opposite direction police helicopter 2 miles ahead. Will be on station. Altitude indicates 1,200.
Fort November Lima, police helicopter in sight, and I'll keep an eye out for it for you.
Helicopter 4 November Lima reports that 2 souls on board. It was a red and white Cessna.
Fort November Lima, looking.
Santa Monica Police 29, what's the last location of the radar target on it? Was he put it out by the Santa Monica Pier?
Police 29er, just south of the pier, maybe a quarter mile south of the pier is where we lost him.
Copy on south of the pier. Looks like FD is on scene already.
Roger, thanks.
At Fort November Lima, the airplane is on the beach upside down, and there are lifeguards right next to it, and I've got the police helicopter by the pier site, and it's about 400 feet south of the pier.
Helicopter 4 November Lima, thank you for the report.